In this chapter, we're talking about different transformations. Transformation is just taking a shape and doing something to that shape. The first thing that we're going to do to a shape is to translate it. Do you know what it means to translate a shape? All it means is we're going to take the shape and we're going to slide it. We're either going to slide it right or left or up or down, or maybe some combination, right and down, or left and up. We're going to slide the shape. It does not change orientation when we slide it. And after we transform the shape, it's called the image. So we kind of have a new shape called the image. So here is a red car, a translation of the blue car. Has the red car just taken the blue car and maybe shifted it up and to the left? What do you think? Taken the blue car, we shifted it up and a little bit to the left, so yes, that's a translation. Here, this is not just shifted, this has actually been a reflection. We're going to learn that in another section where we take the shape and we flip it over a line. That's a reflection. And here in C, it's not a translation. That's another one we're going to learn, which is a rotation, where we take a shape and turn it. So the one that we're talking about is kind of the easiest one here, where we're just taking a shape and moving it. So here's an example of what we're going to see. First of all, we're going to have some directions of how we're moving our shape. So x, y goes to x plus 7, and y goes to y plus 2. The x plus 7 tells us that it goes right 7, and the y plus 2 tells us it goes up 2. So we take our ordered pair and we go right 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we go 2 up. And we're going to get a new A. So you see the original A here is 3, 1, and then the A with the apostrophe is the new A. The new A. And so we use that little apostrophe to say that that's the new one. And similarly, every corner was moved right 7, up 2, right 7. Excuse me, up 2. So, yeah. Oh, wait, the bowling balls here. Is one a translation of the other? A is not. That one's a rotation as well, where we've taken the shape and turned it. What do you think about B? Yes, that one's the translation. C is a little bit different. C is what we're going to learn at the end of the chapter, a dilation, where we change the size of a shape. So those are to come, but here's another translation. Here's some more translations. So it gives me a triangle and it tells me to translate each corner left 6, down 4. So I'm literally just going to take each corner and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 6, down 4, and I get the new B. Take the C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I get the new C, and take the A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I get the new A. And if I connect the dots, there's my new triangle. You have to connect the dots, by the way. If I wanted to, I could have said this in math language just to show you what it would look like. So in math language, this would say, take x, y, and take the x minus 6, subtract 6 to go left, and the y minus 4 to go down 4. We didn't have to do that, but that's going to be coming up. Translate, so A goes to A prime, so you want to count. For A to go to this A, it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. So it went right 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 5. Right 5, down 5. So then I'm going to take the other points and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's the new B. And then take the C and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right 5, down 5. And then connect the dots. So there's the new triangle. If I wanted to say that in math language, it would say xy goes to x plus 5 for right 5 and y minus 5 for down 5. Now we do need to know that math language. So in number 5, it says x minus 2, y minus 1. So I have to know that that means left 2, down 1. Basically, if it's attached to the x, positive is right, negative is left. And if it's attached to the y, positive is up and negative is down. So now I have to take each corner, so maybe I start with the q, left 2, down 1. There's the new q. P, left 2, down 1, new p. These don't always stay on the grid, but this one I think is going to be okay. Left 2, down 1. So now I have the new R, S, Q, P, like that, and I have to connect the dots. Here it wants me to draw the original points. So A is 2, negative 1. So there's A. Label it. Negative 3, 1. Here is B. And C is 0, 3. So there's C. So connect my dots. There's my original triangle. Then it wants me to take that triangle and move it where? Right 3, because x plus 3 is right. And what about y minus 4? Is that up 4 or down 4? You're right, it's down 4. So now I'm going to take each ordered pair, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the B, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then connect it. Don't forget to connect it. Just a little bit more here. So now it's already been shifted, right? And we just have to say, well, where did it shift? Did it go right or left or up or down? This definitely went right. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it looks like it went right 7 and then up 2. So I'm going to circle right 7 up 2, and then I'm going to write in math language x plus 7, y plus 2. So again, like x is positive is right, negative left, y is positive up, negative down. Here it started here and it went 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 down. 4 to the left is x minus 4, 4 down is y minus 4. Last one, it didn't have the arrow, so you just got to pick corresponding parts, like the x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left, and 1, 2 down. So x minus 5, y minus 2. Now you're actually just doing the ordered pairs. So here it's saying x minus 4, y plus 3. So we're just going to take the 2 and do 2 minus 4 is negative 2. And then take the 1 and do 1 plus 3 or 4. So you're just like following the directions. Subtracting 4 from the x coordinate, negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7, and adding 3 to the y coordinate, negative 1. Subtracting 4 from the x coordinate, 1 minus 4, maybe I'll go this way. So 1 minus 4 is negative 3, and then adding 3 to the x coordinate, negative 2. And of course you don't have to show that work, right? I'm just showing it so that you can see how I'm getting it is 1. So that is translations.